Welcome, class. For today's geometry lesson, we're going to be finding the area of some kind of unusual shapes. Let's take a look at this shape here. Now, you probably recognize it has four sides. It is a rectangle, but it's also missing part of its area. So we're going to find out, or practice here, how we might find the area of this remaining blue part of this rectangle without this middle section. So to begin with, what we'll do is we'll find the width and the height of this shape. So what is the width of this shape? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The width of this shape is 10. And the height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the height is 9. So if this were a normal rectangle, we would say that this rectangle had an area of 90. 10 times 9 is 90. But it's missing part of the rectangle. So we need to find that missing part. So to do that, let's see how big is this missing rectangle. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So the area of this missing piece would be 16. So now we have two rectangles. We have this large rectangle out here with an area of 90 and the small rectangle in the middle with an area of 16. But how do we find this area of only the shaded region? Well, imagine that there was no missing piece. This was just a big blue, let's just imagine this is a big blue rectangle like this. Well, if that were the case, and we were to take away that middle rectangle, we'd be subtracting out that small square in the middle. So what this becomes is a subtraction problem. We're subtracting 16, that small rectangle, from 90, the bigger rectangle. Let's give that a try. What is 90 minus 16? Well, let's see here. Got to exchange here. And 6 taken from 10 is 4. 8 minus 1 is 7. So the answer, the number of squares in this blue area here, is 74. So again, the rule here is find the area of the large rectangle, find the area of the small rectangle, and subtract the small one from the big one. You find the difference between the two. Remember, difference is a subtraction word. All right, I'd like you to give this a try on your own in your math notebook. Go ahead and draw this exactly as it's drawn here. So count the number of squares in the width and in the height for the large rectangle and for the small rectangle. And when you're done, go ahead and unpause, and I'll solve through it, and we'll see how you did. All right, unpause when you're done, and I'll go ahead and solve the problem along with you. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 across the bottom. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 across the side. And so the area of the large rectangle will be 14 times 8. Let's see what that is real quick. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. 112. That is the area of the large rectangle. What is the area of the small rectangle? Let's see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So the area of the small rectangle here is 40. So we'll subtract 112 minus 40. Let's give it a try. Let's see, well, 2 minus 0, that's 2. Got to exchange here. 11 minus 4, that's 7. And here I turned that 1 into a 0 up here, so that's nothing. So the area of this orange color here would be 72. Give this some practice on your own. Let us know if you have any questions, and good luck with your work.